It's Stu with the Handyman Hut. Here's another video of a cold plunge build. That was a total fail. I'm just prepping the spot here, vacuuming, cleaning it up, getting ready for the build. This is the first layout for the base. You'll see it goes through quite a few transformations as this video goes on. What I tried to do here the first time is cut the base out in a circle. Later on you'll see that wasn't the greatest idea, and I kind of messed it up a few times. So I had a vision that I thought this was going to work and it was going to be a good idea, and that the cold tub would just sit on there nicely and I would kind of build a frame around it. But you'll notice I kind of changed my tune and switched things up a little bit. I realized I could hide the pump and chiller that were previously just sitting on the floor in the cabinet to the left of it. Here I am framing out kind of the exterior of what's going to support the sidings and top for the cold plunge. This was a big fat waste of time. I was going around tacking each little peg to hold the legs of the cold plunge in place. Totally just scrapped that idea because it was a complete failure. So yeah, big waste of time here. Got pretty frustrated with this build. You'll notice that the design at the end of the video is different than what you're looking at now. Also kind of stopped filming because I just got irritated. Going to post an updated video with some details and things like that coming up soon.